This is GSI 7075 Devon latch pivot Rev A. To disassemble the 7075, you'll need a hammer, 16th punch, and a small Phillips screwdriver, and a solid block. To get apart the 7168 bezel and the 7170 button, we've opened up the right side of the button to a bigger hole, and it's press fit into the left side. With the 16th punch, I'm going to hit it from the left side. Pin releases a 0367 tension spring. The 7137 housing is attached by the MS 24693-17 countersink screws. Which releases the 7139 cover plate. You also want to remove the MS 24693-1 countersink screw. Then you'll be able to get out the 293 compression spring. This time the GSI 7138 bolt is exposed. It is attached with the GSI 300 0250 pin, which is not press fit. And your GSI 137 housing is exposed and deattached. From there, you want to take out the MS 24693-17 countersink screws. Then your 7169 case plate is completely released. You have one 7168 bezel. You have one 7167-1 pivot arm, which is attached to the 7171 pivot block. You have one case plate, 7169. MS 24693-1 countersink screw, GSI 137 housing. You have a 7139 cover plate. You have four MS 24693-17 countersink screw, 300-0250 pin, and the 0367 torsion spring. Reassemble the 7168 bezel, and GSI 7170 button, the right side is open for the GSI 300-0500 pin. And the 0367 torsion spring. With your punch, you press fit the GSI 0300-0500 pin back in place. The 7169 case plate, and slide the 7172 arm through the case plate. Attach the 7171 pivot block with your MS24693-17 countersink screws. Take your 7137 housing, insert the 7172 arm. This time you can attach your 7138 bolt with your GSI 300-0250 pin. You want to insert your MS24693-1 screw. And install your number 293 compression spring into your 7137 housing. This time you want to install your 7138 cover plate with your MS24693-17 countersink screws. And that's your GSI 7075 Rev A.